Welcome to this NewTechWood installation guide for vertical walls. In this video, we will show you how to install the UH67, US31, and Shou Sugi bond profiles with the AW26 clip system. Follow each step to achieve a clean, durable result that meets NewTechWood Canada standards. Before you begin, Before starting, take a moment to properly plan your project. Check local building codes, as some provinces have their own requirements for exterior cladding. Also, make sure to never install a damaged board. It would not be covered by the warranty. Store your products flat, in a dry place, away from sun or moisture. Finally, verify that your surface is flat, solid, and leveled. Required tools and materials. Before starting, make sure you have the right materials. CS 100 stainless steel screws, number 8 stainless steel screws, 1¼ inches, number 5 stainless steel screws, ½ inch, AW26 clips, and AW24 double clips for certain sections. Wear your safety equipment, gloves, glasses, long sleeves, and protective mask. Use your usual carpentry tools, but always with a new carbide-tipped blade for clean and precise cuts. Wall preparation. The cladding must never be installed directly on a flat surface. First, install your furring strips at a maximum spacing of 16 inches or 406 millimeters center to center. In several regions, including Quebec, double furring is mandatory for vertical installations. It ensures better ventilation and proper wall drainage. Take the time to properly level your strips before beginning installation. Don't forget to also install the bug screens. Installing the trim. Start with the trim. US 47 for inside corners, US 46 for outside corners, and US 44F trim for ends or edges. Make sure they are straight and leveled, as they define the visual quality of the finished wall. Pre-drill the mounting holes for the trims larger than the screw, but smaller than the head, in order to reduce stress on the trim during expansion and contraction. Always leave a minimum space of approximately 3/4 inch or 20 millimeters between the trim and the ground to allow water to drain. Installing the boards. Next, insert the first board into the US 44F trim and secure it using AW26 clips. Each clip must be attached to the furring with an 8 stainless steel screw, 1¼ inches. All clips hold the board in place, but only one clip per board must be locked to allow for expansion and contraction of the material. Lock only the top clip using a number 5 stainless steel screw, ½ inch, after pre-drilling the hole. This clip supports the board, while the others allow it freedom to move. For an installation over 78¾ inches or 2,000 millimeters in height, it is recommended to lock 2 clips, the one on the first furring strip from the top and the one just below it. Then continue board by board, always checking your level. Pre-drilling is essential, especially in cold weather, to avoid cracks and ensure perfect installation. Installing the last board. To install the last board, you will need to measure the remaining distance between the last installed board and the trim. Remove approximately 3/8 of an inch or 9 millimeters from the inside of the trim to allow insertion of the last piece into the clips. Since it will not be possible to use fastening clips for this board, it must be face screwed. It is important to pre-drill and countersink the holes so that the screws are as discreet as possible and the finish remains clean and uniform. Recommended installation sequence. Once the first section of the wall is completed, it is strongly recommended to start the next part of the installation from the outside corner, then work inward. Finish your installation on the least visible wall or in the most discreet area. This provides perfect visual alignment on the most exposed areas and conceals small cuts or adjustments. Finishing the top of the wall. To finalize your installation, you have 2 options. Install metal flashing on the top of the boards to protect it from moisture, or use a US 44 finish trim, F trim cut and screwed onto the upper furring strips. Final result. Once the work is completed, you get a uniform, straight, and perfectly ventilated wall. The UH67, US31, and Shou Sugi bond profiles are all installed the same way and offer an elegant and durable finish. Thank you for following this NewTechWood installation guide.